talking about the option number two, that we have the Snow sequel as well. So what is this Snow sequel? If you go down to the Google and you type in download Snow sequel, so you simply get a one Snowflake URL portal where you can go out and download it. So you get this Snowflake sequel download. So just click on that Snow sequel download page, and you will see that there are three different options, whether you are a Linux user, whether you are a Microsoft user, or a Mac user. So if you are a Windows user, just click on that, and that will start downloading. You can see in the bottom it will start downloading Snowflake SQL. I just stop it for now, I don't need it. So this is a Snowflake SQL uh, exe or executable file you get downloaded. Just click on next, 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 and this will get installed. So once this next thing done and it get installed, you have to just go down to your command prompt. So just open your command prompt, cmd. Okay, and once you open your command prompt, from here you can access the Snowflake using this SnowSQL. So once you have installed that SnowSQL, you just type in here SnowSQL and press enter. So it will show you some information. So if those information is coming, you can safely assume that your SnowSQL is installed successfully, like this. So it's showing that, okay, that something has been done. Otherwise it will say that Snowflake does not recognize, kind of thing. Okay, so SnowSQL has been installed. It's just a one click thing. Okay, so once your SnowSQL has been installed, now how you will access it? So the command is like this: SnowSQL hyphen account hyphen a. Hyphen a is account. Now what is this account is? Account is your Snowflake account. If you don't know what is your Snowflake account, what you can do is you go to your web interface. Okay, and you go to this accounts. Under the admins, you go to the accounts. Okay, and in the account, let it get open. Here you see this locator option. Okay, here you see this URL. Just click on this URL. Just copy this URL. Okay, so what I did, I just repeat. I go down to the admin. I go to the accounts. Under the account, I will go to this locator. Just click on this locator, and you will. I just paste it here. You just right click on your mouse and it will paste it. So you will see this entire URL. So basically, this is the URL through which you can log in. But here you don't need to give everything. You just need to give like this only. See, I'll just repeat it again. So you will see that here, this is your account ID. You can think SK60496 and dot east us2 dot azure. So East US is saying that in the Azure, this is the region information. Uh, I know couple of you who are already from this in the cloud background, they understand what is the region means is. But for others who does not understand, in the cloud world, what they have done is, it's the cloud is a very high level term. Okay, so what they have done is like they have divided their cloud into multiple region. Okay, so this is like India region. So geographically they try to divide it. One is like a US, one is like a UK. Okay, so like they created some server within that specific geography. Just think like that for now. Okay, so that this called generally called it as a region. Okay, region. So when you are looking at it, this is East US2. It is saying that this East US2 is the region name and dot Azure is the cloud name. Okay, so this account has been hosted on the uh, Azure cloud and in this East US2 region actually. So you just remove everything and just keep it up to this Azure only. Okay, and then just remove from here as well. So you just keep your account ID dot your this Azure and this region information. See, if while creating the cloud account, this Snowflake account, if you have chosen your is AWS as as the cloud partner, in that case probably you don't need to give this complete information. Then by default it takes from the AWS. But if you have chosen anything outside the AWS, then you should have to give this information like this. Okay, and you say my account name is this, and you say next is my hyphen u, that is username, and my username is what, Deepak. Now once you write this and you press enter, if all goes fine, it will ask me the password. Yeah, so now it is prompting me to write the password. So I will write my password here, which I use to log in the web interface as well, and I say enter. Again, if all goes fine, you can see that I am now connected. At the moment, it is not selected any. So you see that no warehouse, no database, no schema selected. So I will say use. Now database name automatically coming. So Snowflake sample database is coming, right? So I just select that. I say semicolon and enter. So now my database got selected. Now warehouse. So I'll just select use warehouse, and this warehouse I selected. Okay. And then say enter. So now my warehouse gets selected. And then I can start writing some query, whatever I wanted to do, right? Select star from call center. Okay. Okay. This will not work because we have not selected the schema. So I should use schema and then the first schema. Okay. So now my schema also selected. Now if I go down and if I say show tables, so whatever be the tables inside the schema, probably I will able to display all those tables. That's how you can go ahead and you can use the Snowflake